Using Cuisenaire rods is a great way to demonstrate that addition is commutative, as in it can be done in any order that you want. So a nice little task to demonstrate this is to simply ask pupils to take the orange rod, and then can they find 3 different rods which equal the orange length when you put them end to end. So for example, they might go red, green, and then say yellow. And then what you want to ask them is how many different ways can you rearrange these rods so that you get the same length as the orange. So you can encourage a bit of systematic thinking here if you want, because there's 2 ways to do it if you start with the red rod. So you could go green, then yellow, then green. Or if you start with the green rod first, now I'm just using the arrow keys to copy this green one, there's 2 ways to do that as well. If you start with the green, you could go red first and then yellow, or switch those round and go yellow and red. And then finally, if you start with the yellow one first, you could go red, then green, or green, then red. So in total, there's 6 ways to do it if you're using 3 rods to make the orange length. Now, at this point, you might want to show the values of the rods. So if we say the orange rod is 10, then there's 6 ways of making this total of 10 by using 3 addends. So 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 5 plus 3, and so on. And each one is demonstrating that it doesn't matter the order in which you add together these values or the order in which you place these rods length to length, you always end up with a total of 10. So addition is commutative and can be done in any order.